Welcome to my channel IPS videos. So thanks for watching my videos and thanks for subscribing my channel, and a request to all the subscribers and the viewers. So please like the video and please give a comment about the video or about the explanation, or have any improvement. So means give some suggestions to improve my quality of videos or explanation, whatever. So please make a comment and give a like. Share the channel with your friends or the relatives who are studying class 10 in the various schools. And as usually, please watch the videos regularly as per the concept which is going in your school. So if it is possible, note down the topic, note down the points, or take a screenshot if it is possible. And the most important thing is, please read your textbook concentrately. Read your textbook, understand the concept before or after the concept explained by your teachers. So don't forget to read your textbook. Textbook reading is the very important, right? At least from class 10th onwards, you have to make it habit. Okay? Then coming to our session, uses of ethanoic acid, or uses of ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Uses of acetic acid or ethanoic acid. So dilute ethanoic acid, dilute acetic acid or ethanoic acid, generally we can call as vinegar. Generally we can call as vinegar is used in so vinegar has 5 to 8 percent of acetic acid in water, used in the preparation, a food preservative, used as a preservative, in the preparation of pickles, and sauce. So like tomato sauce. So while you are eating some junk food from fast food centers, so there the saucers are used. These saucers are preserved in the vinegar. With the help of the vinegar, better avoid taking junk food, right? Then, as vinegar, it is also used as appetizer for dressing food dishes. Also used as appetizer for dressing food dishes. Ethanoic acid used for making cellulose acetate, which is an important artificial fiber. So used in making synthetic fiber or artificial fiber. Synthetic fiber, artificial fiber like polyesters, for example. Polyesters, carboxylic acids. Then ethanoic acid is used in manufacture of acetone and esters. So used in manufacture of acetone and esters. Acetone and esters in making perfumes, which are used in making perfumes. Used in perfume. Ethanoic acid is used in the preparation of dyes, plastics and pharmaceuticals. So ethanoic acid used in the used in the dyes, plastics, PET already we discussed, plastics and in medicines, pharmaceuticals. In pharmaceuticals is ethanoic acid is aspirin. For example, aspirin is one kind of medicine, a tablet, is an analgesic and antipyretic, right? So it is used aspirin in case making medicines. Aspirin is one kind of a drug which relieves pain, and antipyretic is a drug which reduces fever. Paracetamol antamu. Paracetamol, simply cheppalante paracetamol. So aspirin is nothing but analgesic and antipyretic drug. Antipyretic drug which reduces the fever, whereas analgesic is a drug which relieves pain. In case of pains, in case of fever, we use a kind of drug like a medicine is called as aspirin. Aspirin is made of ethanoic acid, ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride is ethanoic acid anhydride used in the manufacture of aspirin, which is used in making drugs to relieve from pain and fever. Ethanoic acid also used in coagulate rubber from latex. So in making or in manufacturing of rubber may be also used, and has some harmful effects also. So uses okay. And this ethanoic acid is also used as a cleaning agent. Or removing some marks of coffee soap scum, then and also used disinfecting agent for cleaning household surfaces, and also used to remove stain from fabrics such as carpets and other surfaces. Okay, yes, are very easy to understand, no problem. Then harmful effects. Pure acetic acid is corrosive substance. 100% acetic acid or pure acetic acid or ethanoic acid is corrosive, can cause severe skin, eye and digestive problems. High concentrated ethanoic acid damage tooth enamel. If unfortunately if you take a large amount of ethanoic acid or the vinegar or the strongest ethanoic acid damages the tooth enamel. So when we touch the concentrated ethanoic acid causes skin and eye irritation when we touch with concentrated ethanoic acid causes sensation of pain, inflammable burn, then inhalation problems, irritation in the eye and nose, irritation in the eye and nose. So these are the some harmful effects. So no problem, then read your textbook, you are able to understand the uses and harmful effects. So in the chemical reactions, reaction with alcohol or esterification or formation of esters, the very important reaction, very important reaction. So we discussed completely ethanoic acid preparation, physical properties, chemical properties, uses and harmful effects. So that's all for today session, and that's all for today topic, and later we will discuss the last topic of the chapter, carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds is soaps and detergents. So please take care at your home, read your textbook continuously and listen the classes attentively. So thank you so much. Signing off.